You don't have to reinvent the wheel. You need to clarify the problem as you see it and the solution as you see it, and some research into the issue. I don't want you to say, here's a topic, and these are what all the people are doing. I want you to become an advocate for that topic. And I want you to make sure that you appear in your paper and your feelings, thoughts, and ideas. You can talk about what other people are doing in that topic. That just boosts what you're talking about. But make sure that you personally are advocating. I want you to watch the video link on Screencast-O-Matic. This is a very simple free program, and I've used it for presentations, and so have numerous students. And so this presentation can be a dummy presentation as long as you've created 3 slides with a cover slide that gives you your name, the class, 2 slides with images. You must have also included a video of yourself discussing what you're doing in the project. 1 to 3 minutes is fine for this intro project, though the actual project will be worth more. So if you have another program that does the same thing as Screencast-O-Matic, meaning it records your screen, I use Camtasia. So you can use that. Some people use PowerPoint, and then they put slides on it. Some people use PowerPoint with a voice background or a video insert of them talking. That works fine. And some people are more comfortable with Prezi. And Prezi is a presentation software, and people have said it's way easier to use, it's more fluid than using PowerPoint for a presentation. You can do more with it. So it's not really a great time for you to learn Prezi, and I'm not teaching you Prezi. I'm just saying that you can choose different ways of doing this assignment. So the 3 dummy slides are basically, this is what I'm going to talk about. It's a proposal. It's not an ungraded thing. It's obviously a graded thing. But I want you to at least have that much. And then 3 dummy slides. So 3 images, 3 things that we're looking at. 1 to 3 minutes is fine for this intro project. The actual project will be worth more. So you need to post something by the date that is given for this assignment that gives me at least that much information, 3 slides and an idea of what you're talking about. So that's your introduction. Consider it more of a proposal. This is what I'm going to talk about. I don't need to approve your proposal, but I need to see that you're working on something. So that's the point for that. So you would post that presentation here. And the reason why I'm doing that part of this assignment is so that you can take a breath and say, oh, okay, this is what I'm going to have to put together. All right, so you can watch the Screencast-O-Matic PowerPoint from this link. Slide 23 is a video of your instructor. So continue watching that PowerPoint. Next, create a simple screencast presentation here in preparation. So the presentation will be a dummy presentation as long as you've created 3 slides with a cover slide that gives your name, the title, class, 2 slides with images. So cover slide and 2 other slides with images. So you must have also included a video of yourself discussing what you are doing in this project. 1 to 3 minutes is fine for this intro project, although the actual project will be worth more. So if you have another program that does the same thing, that's fine. The university uses Screencast-O-Matic in classrooms. Presentations can't be longer on Screencast-O-Matic than 15 minutes. So the final video essay is going to be no longer than that. So this prep assignment is for you to try a new piece of technology, so use Screencast-O-Matic for this assignment. You can also, if you can't figure it out, you can use PowerPoint, but I need audio and visual on it, so I need an image of you. So if you can't do that and you're having trouble with that, you can record from a phone and send that recording to yourself, upload it to your computer, put that into your presentation later, insert it as a video. There's a ton of ways that you can do this. So this is not actually beyond English 111. This is an expectation of the English 111 core. So the university uses Screencast-O-Matic, also uses different versions of PowerPoint. So this assignment is just expecting you to try technology. When you finally do post your finished project, so you can post more than one thing. So you're going to post your dummy presentation, and then you're going to post your final project. So be sure you pay attention to the other part of this 100-point assignment, the essay writing. each is worth 100 points. Remember, the dummy part of this assignment is just that you are using technology to the best of your ability, and maybe it's not the most beautiful thing in the world, but you're definitely using technology. And before the end of class, you're going to post a final assignment. So post the actual assignment that you're turning in for the 100 points by the end of this class. But you have until the 17th to turn everything in. So I want you to go here, and I want you to go to these websites, and I want you to do this assignment and post it and turn it in. So the edit assignment, audio visual, change the world, is simply making your paper comply with APA guidelines. So to be clear, the first thing you submit is going to be a video presentation. You can put a dummy in there until the final end of class, but at some point before the end of class you need to put a polished product in there. So that's what the dummy is about. The dummy is a holding place. This is what I'm talking about. I'm working on this assignment. See, I've got it started. So have something in there for that assignment. And then the second part of this assignment is preview, upload, assignment, edit assignment, audio video project, change the world. So this is the same thing, only APA style. So in this essay, you do the same topic, change the world you chose earlier. This is your APA essay, correct in style and citations. You have to use 5 different sources, and you must cite it correctly. And use your books because they do show you how to cite things correctly. I've gone over them several times, but some of you still haven't really caught on. So please use your textbook as an example. Your Everyone's an Author has an excellent APA section. So an essay must have a title page, abstract, body, images, source of images. You can use screenshots. You must use at least 5 images of your presentation, screencast-o-matic, or slides you prepared.